In today's fast-paced world, managing projects and workflows efficiently is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether you're orchestrating a complex product launch, coordinating a marketing campaign, or simply trying to keep your team on the same page, having the right tools can make all the difference. Enter Smartsheet, a dynamic work management platform that has gained significant traction for its versatility and user-friendly interface. But who exactly can benefit from using Smartsheet? The answer, in short, is a lot more people and teams than you might initially think. As a project management expert, I've seen firsthand how Smartsheet can transform the way individuals and organizations operate across various industries and functions. It's not just for seasoned project managers. Its intuitive design makes it accessible to anyone looking to streamline their work, collaborate effectively, and achieve better results. Let's delve deeper into the diverse range of individuals and teams who can unlock the power of Smartsheet. 1. The project manager, your central command center. For professional project managers, Smartsheet is more than just a spreadsheet on steroids. It's a comprehensive platform that acts as a central command center for all project-related activities. From initial planning and task assignment to tracking progress, managing budgets, and mitigating risks, Smartsheet provides the tools necessary to keep complex projects on track. Detailed planning and scheduling. Project managers can create detailed project plans with tasks, subtasks, dependencies, durations, and deadlines. The Gantt chart view provides a clear visual representation of the project timeline, making it easy to identify critical paths and potential bottlenecks. Resource management. Smartsheet allows for efficient allocation and tracking of resources, ensuring that the right people are assigned to the right tasks and that workload is balanced. This helps prevent overutilization and ensures timely completion of deliverables. Budget management. Project managers can track project expenses, monitor budgets against actual spending, and generate reports to keep stakeholders informed about the financial health of the project. Risk management. Identifying, assessing, and tracking project risks becomes more manageable with Smartsheet. Teams can collaborate on mitigation strategies and monitor their implementation. Reporting and dashboards. Smartsheet's robust reporting and dashboard capabilities provide real-time insights into project progress, resource utilization, and key performance indicators, KPIs. This allows project managers to make data-driven decisions and communicate effectively with stakeholders. 2. The marketing team, orchestrating campaigns and content. Marketing teams juggle numerous campaigns, content calendars, and creative assets simultaneously. Smartsheet offers a powerful platform to organize these efforts and ensure seamless execution. Campaign management. Marketing teams can use Smartsheet to plan and track all aspects of a marketing campaign, from defining objectives and target audiences to managing tasks, deadlines, and budgets. Content calendar management. Maintaining a consistent content schedule is crucial for effective marketing. Smartsheet allows teams to create and manage content calendars, track the status of articles, blog posts, social media updates, and other content assets. Creative asset management. Collaborating on and managing creative assets like images, videos, and design files can be streamlined with Smartsheet. Teams can track versions, approvals, and feedback in a centralized location. Performance tracking. Integrating Smartsheet with other marketing tools allows teams to track campaign performance, analyze results, and make data-driven adjustments. 3. The sales team, managing leads and pipelines. Sales teams thrive on organization and efficient lead management. Smartsheet provides tools to track leads, manage sales pipelines, and analyze performance. Lead management. Sales teams can use Smartsheet to track leads through different stages of the sales funnel, assign ownership, and schedule follow-up activities. Pipeline management. Visualizing the sales pipeline with Smartsheet helps sales managers understand the progress of deals, identify potential roadblocks, and forecast revenue. Sales reporting and analytics. Smartsheet can be used to generate reports on sales activities, track key metrics like conversion rates and deal sizes, and provide insights for improving sales strategies. 4. The Human Resources Department, streamlining processes and employee data. HR departments handle a multitude of processes, from onboarding new employees to managing performance reviews. Smartsheet can help streamline these tasks and maintain organized employee data. Onboarding and offboarding. HR teams can create standardized onboarding and offboarding checklists and track the progress of each step, ensuring a smooth transition for new and departing employees. Performance management. Smartsheet can be used to track performance review cycles, collect feedback, and manage employee goals and development plans. Employee data management. While not a dedicated HRIS system, Smartsheet can be used to securely store and manage employee data, such as contact information, training records, and certifications. Recruitment tracking. HR teams can track job applications, manage interview schedules, and collaborate on candidate evaluations within Smartsheet. 5. The operations team, optimizing workflows and processes. Operations teams are responsible for ensuring the smooth functioning of an organization's day-to-day activities. Smartsheet can help optimize workflows, manage resources, and track key operational metrics. Workflow automation. Smartsheet's automation capabilities allow operations teams to automate repetitive tasks, such as sending reminders, updating statuses, and triggering notifications, freeing up valuable time. Inventory management. Businesses can use Smartsheet to track inventory levels, manage stock movements, and ensure timely replenishment. Process management. Documenting and tracking business processes in Smartsheet provides clarity, ensures consistency, and facilitates continuous improvement efforts. 6. The IT department, managing projects and service requests. IT departments often manage numerous projects, from software deployments to infrastructure upgrades, as well as handle a constant stream of service requests. Smartsheet can help organize these diverse responsibilities.